Hi, so fam, welcome back to my channel. I am DeliciousFavour. Let me show you how I make this deep corset cup with strap. This is the part 2 of the trending swimsuit corset. See how deep the corset cup is. So go check out the part 1 tutorial on how I drafted trending swimsuit corset pattern. Okay, fold pattern paper into 2, then fold the normal bra cup into 2. Use pin to hold it by ½ inch. It is best to use push-up bra cup, but don't hold it by ½ inch if you are using push-up bra cup. Okay, so place the bra cup on the folded side of the pattern. Okay, then you trace out the cup on your pattern paper like so. So you see the way I'm tracing it out. So you trace it out like so. Okay, so after tracing it out, I will cut out the bra cup. So I will bring out the corset cup with strap pattern I drafted in part 1. I'll use it as a guide to trace out on the corset cup. So I'll place it like so on the corset cup. Okay, then I will trace out the strap on the pattern. Okay, see, I've already traced out the strap. So I will just use my French curve to mark out the cup. Okay, I want it, down. Mark out the cup like so. Okay, so I will mark the V. I make a deep V at the corset cup. So I'll use my masking tape my paper tape to hold it down. Then I'll trace out the cup on the pattern. Okay, so I've traced them out. So I'll mark out the style line, the curvy style line. I'll use my French curve to trace out the curvy style line on the cup. Then I'll cut out my corset cup. Okay, if you find this tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know where you are watching from, and if you find this helpful, you can do well to subscribe to our channel. So I'm done cutting the cup. So I'll write down the initials, that's the center front and the side front. Then I'll trace out the style line on the corset cup pattern. Okay, so I will number it and cut out the corset cup. So I've cut it. So then I will bring my masking tape. I need to couple the cup to check if the corset cup is deep. So here is my my paper tape. So I will just place my paper tape and place the down part of the corset cup, that's the side front. I'll place it on the paper tape. So after placing, I will notch the paper tape so that it will be flexible. Then I'll also place the center front like so. I'll arrange it properly. So I've already attached the down part of the corset cup. So I will cut a long piece of paper tape. I will cut out the paper tape like so. Then I will place it down. So I'll place it down. Then I'll attach the upper part of the corset cup on the paper stay. So after attaching it, I will notch it. I'll notch them like so. Okay, then I will place the down part of the corset cup. Okay, you see the way I'm placing it. So I'll start placing it like so. So now I'm done attaching the corset cup with strap together. Okay, so then I'll cut out the excess paper stay. I'll cut it out. So let me know if you find this tutorial helpful, so I can be able to give you a shout out in our upcoming video. So I'll turn it in. I'll turn the corset cup in. So you see how deep our corset cup is. So please, if you use a push-up bra cup, it will turn out more deeper. Okay, because this is a normal bra cup. So please make sure you use a push-up bra cup for a better result. Okay, so fam, thanks for watching, and do check out our next tutorial video.